Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Create with the Heart, and I'm back to share some cards for World Card Making Day. So happy World Card Making Day. I actually was making these cards on camera until I realized that I had forgotten to press the play button. So, oh well, that's the story of my life. So moving on, I'm going to show you and talk about what I made and what I used for my card. So for this card, this is really cute. I'm using this Miss Winnie. I had hold this from Polka Doodles. And then this is a Cards TV older stamp set called Spooky Sayings. And then I also use this little bee pumpkin, like little treat holder that she's carrying, because in this one, she's carrying a purse. So I have her carrying her little treat bag. This is a little pumpkin that's all glittered up from Tuesday morning, and then the sentiment is here. So I use some scrap. This is like probably my favorite of this particular collection. This is a My Mind's Eye older collection I've had in my stash forever that I decided I was going to use up this year. So that's my first card. And all I did was kind of make her a little bit Halloween-y. And then this one is using stickers. So this is a sticker sheet that a lot of us hold from Tuesday morning. It's from Pebbles. And it is, don't know what collection this one is. But I know I've seen that people have been able to find the paper and everything that goes with it. I was not so lucky. I think I have somewhere, and I cannot find it for the life of me. Oh, wait, I remember where I put it. I've got the dies, or not the die, the die cuts. Excuse me, as I was saying about it, I think I remember where I put it. And then I use this pumpkin right here from Recollections, and that's my second card. And then the last card that I'm going to share with you uses a couple of different products. One is some dies from Lawn Fawn, and that is the hill die as well as the fence die. And then all the little stamps that I die cut uses the stamps and dies from the Stamptember exclusive from Waffle Flower. And this one is called Sweet Tooth. Super cute. Super, super cute. And I just love how that one came out. Super fun. And so I hope that everyone got a chance to participate in World Card Making Day and make a card. I have been working on my October daily as well. And I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek because I will be sharing this either Sunday or Monday. I'll be sharing this. But this is what the front cover now looks like. I think it looks very, very cute. I'm very happy with it. So I have a lot of slack here, so I have lots of space to put lots of goodies. I would share it today, but today was a big day. I actually have a lot of pictures and things to share in it today. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about my method and how I handle sort of days that are slow, because there are going to be days where it's just not much going on, and repetitive days, because you might have weeks where every Monday you take your kids to dance, or you know what I mean, maybe something's particular about you that you do. So there's other things that you can share and talk about that go on in the month of October, journaling things and things like that. But anyways, and sometimes I just craft in it. I just take Halloween things that I haven't been able to use, and I'll cut out things and stamp things and cut it out and just make a little layout of fun in my book. So anyway, I love this one. It came out so cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope you guys got a chance to enjoy World Card Making Day. These are my 3 cards that I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching.